Welcome back to AI Machine Mind, where we explore everything AI. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. It is a powerful technology with many potential benefits and drawbacks in the near future. Some of them include efficiency. One of the main benefits of AI is its ability to perform tasks more efficiently than humans. AI-powered machines can work around the clock without getting tired or making mistakes, which can lead to increased productivity and cost savings for businesses. In manufacturing, robots can work faster and more accurately than humans, leading to higher production and lower defect rates. Accuracy. AI algorithms are designed to be highly accurate and reliable, which makes them useful in a wide range of applications. In healthcare, AI can be used to analyze medical images and identify potential health issues with greater accuracy than human doctors. Similarly, in finance, AI algorithms can be used to detect fraudulent transactions with high accuracy. Personalization. Another advantage of AI is its ability to personalize experiences for individual users. AI-powered recommendation engines can suggest products or services based on a user's past behavior and preferences. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms can analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions about future events. This can be useful in a wide range of applications, from predicting customer behavior to forecasting market trends. Automation. AI-powered automation can reduce the need for human intervention in many tasks, leading to cost savings and increased efficiency. Chatbots powered by AI can handle customer inquiries without the need for human customer service representatives. Many experts hail AI's potential to revolutionize various industries and improve our daily lives. However, AI is not without its drawbacks and limitations. Some of them include job displacement. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AI is its potential to replace human workers. As AI technology becomes more advanced, it can perform tasks that were previously done by humans, leading to job displacement and unemployment. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data used to train an AI system contains biases or discriminatory patterns, then the system will learn and perpetuate these biases. This can lead to unfair treatment of certain groups of people and exacerbate existing inequalities. Lack of creativity and empathy. While AI can be programmed to perform complex tasks and make decisions based on data, it lacks the creativity and empathy that humans possess. AI systems may be able to write a news article based on data, but it cannot capture the nuances of human emotion or provide context that only a human writer could. Security risks. As AI becomes more integrated into various systems and devices, there is a risk of security breaches and cyber attacks. Hackers could potentially exploit vulnerabilities in AI systems to gain access to sensitive information or disrupt critical infrastructure. Dependence on technology. While AI has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient, it also creates a dependence on technology. If an AI system fails or malfunctions, it could have serious consequences for individuals or organizations that rely on it. While AI has many potential benefits, it also comes with limitations that must be carefully considered and addressed. From increased efficiency and accuracy to personalized experiences and predictive analytics, AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives in the future. Be sure to like and subscribe to AI Machine Mind for the latest AI updates, where we explore everything AI.